God! No! God, please, no! 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 No!
Fuck the police coming straight from the underground.
Oh, thank God. Oh. That's gonna be the end of this video, ding dongs. I hope you liked it. Yeah, it was quite the video to film. I used almost every single one of my 360 cameras. Links in the description if you're interested in those. Now it's time for the fuel project that I've been talking about for the last like 10 videos I kept mentioning it. I'm gonna do the fuel system, Well, I just wanted good weather so that I could film this video that you just watched. And now that it's finally done, I can finally do the fuel system and not worry about you guys not seeing how the mirrors work. Oh yeah, how do the mirrors work? So you guys probably can tell from the POV footage when I was inside the car that it's pretty hard to see the screens. First of all, the wheel is in the way. It's totally blocking the view from like half of the screens. The screens are dim, so that's two things. The cameras are not that good resolution. They're too big. They're still this like almost the same size as regular mirrors, which is kind of massive. So I'm gonna fix all of those things in version 2 of this. I bought new screens, I bought HD cameras, and I'm going to get rid of all the motors. I'm gonna move the screens further out so they're next to the wheel, not behind it. Version 2 is coming. It's gonna be much better, and it will address all the issues that you see in this version. Besides those things though, when you do see the screen, it is so much better than a mirror. Because I don't know if you can tell, the field of view on the screen is massive. I can see my whole car and I can see all the way to my blind spot. So like, I can see absolutely everything. The field of view is huge. You can't see far, but that's where another camera is gonna come into play. But that's gonna be way later down the road, so don't worry about it right now. The camera system is so much better than mirrors. I love it, it's freaking awesome. As you can see, this guy got all the rivets removed because I already 3D scanned the roof. I'm gonna be making a carbon sunroof delete panel that actually you guys are gonna be able to purchase. So full carbon fiber, no 3D prints, nothing. It's gonna be completely a carbon panel that you can just glue into the roof and it'll fit perfect every time and all that. So that's another project I'm working on. Make sure you subscribe, you don't miss that. And I'll see you guys next week. Peace out, ding dong, stay sweet.
America, America. Do you have your passport?